Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread a little love, and your pile is back with another video. So I started a little gesture from my end is that कि जिसका comment मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा या फिर somebody whose comments like on the first or second or third या जो like starting में रहेगा. So I will be randomly choosing out the comment and will be posting out on the screen. So commenting on my or any other content creator's video, a positive comment can like boost a day of that person's. That's why I've started the comment of the day. So the comments will be from the previous video. So there are so many comments that have touched my heart. One of them is there on the screen, and thank you Aru for that. So thank you for commenting and making my day special. So this look I've created for the people who don't like lots of makeup but yet they want to add little colors on their lids and on your lips and also like little bling on their eyes. So Amos, you can easily carry out your look on the Valentine's Day as well. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Make sure that you start with a clean canvas. I've already washed my face and I will be doing some of my skincare. So I'm using a moisturizer by Lakme. This is Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Moisturizer. So as my skin is from a drier side, so I will be like hydrating my face. So it has a very beautiful fragrance and it will give you that little pinky sa glow. So the next I will be applying a primer cum illuminator from Swiss Beauty. So this will work as a illuminator and also be working as a primer. So this hair is little disturbing me, so I will be wearing a hairband. Like I always forget to wear the hairband. Like starting में ही पहन लेना चाहिए मुझे. So the next I will not be applying any foundation but I will be using a concealer to just hide the spots. So one thing I want to share is that have you seen that कि लड़कों को उतना ज़्यादा मेकअप like नहीं पसंद होता. Like generally if I do कभी मैं ज़्यादा मेकअप कभी चल जाती हूँ like in front of my लड़कों फ्रेंड्स के पास या फिर कोई मेल फ्रेंड्स के पास, दे जनरली कितना मेकअप कर लियो. लाइक एक ब्लू लाइनर भी लगा लिया हो तो उनको लगता है कि कितना मेकअप कर लिया. ओवर हियर आई एम कीपिंग इट वेरी सिंपल बट ऐसा ना लगे ज्यादा मेकअप कर लिया हो. तो आई हैव अप्लाइड द कंसीलर wherever I have little dark spots and just to hide them. I have not applied in the whole face and I will like to blend it like पूरा face में मैं blend कर दूंगी इसको so that बहुत even सा लगे. So see, you don't need foundation to पूरा cover up your face and yet it's looking very like natural and बहुत ही ज़्यादा glowy दिख रहा है. So the next product which I am applying is a blush. So I am using the Swiss Beauty palette. So I will be taking a peach blush. Because my dress is little pink, so I don't want कि मैं pink blush लगाऊं. So for that I am taking a little peach type of blush. So it's looking very natural and that is what I want. So the next I will be applying a highlighter. So I am using this Maybelline Master Stroke. So except the blush, I am not using any powder product. I will be just applying it over here. So you can see the little glow over here. So for my eyes, I will little prep. I will conceal it. So you can use any of the concealer of your choice because मेरे eyelids जो है ना वो थोड़ा सा darker है than my under eye. So now what I will do is that I will take a crayon by K by Katrina. I will be like using it as an eyeshadow today, and it's a little pinkish color, and I will be just dabbing it around, and then with my finger I will be just blending it, and I will taking a little more and applying a little darker on this part, like outer part में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगा दूँ. And then make sure that you stretch your fingers with one hand and then you're doing it. So I will only blend this color and I will not take any more and just blend this color so that बहुत सा uneven ना लगे. It will look little blended. So now to make this look little very blingy, so I will be adding little sparkle. So you can, it's very so as I have already said, this is very optional. You can skip it, you can keep as it is, but I will be adding it to make it little glam out. So I'm using the Swiss Beauty Sparkle stick. I am started from the inner corner of my eyes and then I am just in a dabbing motion. I will be, if you don't dab the colors ना वो shift हो जाएगा, वो जो sparkle है वो थोड़ा shift हो जाएगा. Now you are seeing the harsh line. What we have to do is that now with the crayon we have to blend the edges. So see, I've blended and I've done. So for my eyebrow I am using Sugar's 3-in-1 Brow Sharper. This is in the shade 01 Jerry Brown. So I'm done with filling my eyebrows. Now I will just comb it out. I will be putting kajal, so I will be not lining it out. So I will be, you can see that I am just applying on the corner of the eyes, like so that कि वो थोड़ा open up लगे. And also I will be applying on the above waterline. So make sure that while you apply on the above waterline, you do it very carefully because you're gonna like poke your eyes and that you don't want. So what you have to do is that you have to look up and then you have to go slowly into the waterline. Just I will give a smoke out effect with my fingers on it. So now I will be adding little bit of mascara. So I am not finding out my eyelash curler. So what I will do is that with the help of this, I will be like just bending it. So or you can do it with the kajal as well. Like थोड़ा सा आपको इसको थोड़ा देर के लिए like 2-3 सेकेंड के लिए you have to just roll it. So I am using Maybelline Slash Sensational Mascara. This is very volumizing mascara. As I've already said कि मेरे eyelashes बिल्कुल भी ज़्यादा नहीं है. Like I don't have blessed with good eyelashes, so I have to coat my eyelashes with lots and lots of mascara. So I have made a complete detailed video like how to apply mascara. So if you haven't watched that video, go and check it out. It's very helpful. You're gonna like know the little tricks and my tricks, and it might be little helpful for you. So I will put the link below and down in the description box as well as somewhere in the I button over there. So I will be lining my lips. So I am using Swiss Beauty nude color, and as you can see that there's little lip color on my lips. It's just because I've like before filming this video I just went out and I have just applied a new lipstick which just came. So I was seeing that कि कैसे लगता है, and I did not rub it off because I want to see कि ये look के साथ कैसा जाता है. So I will be applying a little nude color. So थोड़ा rusty brown सा color लगाऊंगी. So this is a My Glam lipstick and this is their new launch lipstick. And you can try it out. It's very moisturizing and very long lasting, and it will not dry out to your lips. I will be sprinkling some like makeup fixer, and I will be dabbing the excess so that ki whatever excess is there, it soaks. So Amos, I hope you're gonna enjoy this look, and I have created it with very affordable products and also with very minimal products. So Amos, if you enjoy this look, don't forget to hit the like button and do share and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post videos. Bye, take care, love you, miss you.
I know it's a game.